Well, what I'm doing now is cutting out my templates kind of for my vinyl. I'm just using the carpet to lay it on because I don't want to get the vinyl dirty. It's gonna be this. It's supposed to be gray, but it looks almost white. Almost too light for my taste, but I paid for it, so it's gotta work now. Well, there's the boat. It's painted. I guess I'll show it to you later on there. Didn't come out the best, but have to do. That's the wood, which would be laid with vinyl. Just laying it out, get everything meshed up. That's the storage. Well, talk to you in a few.